let's just say I'm inspired to preach on for a minute before we eat.
Let's just say I'm inspired to preach on for a minute before we eat.
Walking around this bitch like I don't give a fuck. She hold me just like paper cuts. These crackers sure don't hold me much. The savior good as Frazier like I'm smoking, floating, hold my nuts. Bitch. Observing, chucking curses made from hearses, and you heard it cause the sin I'm in is oddly not enough. I'm black as fuck, queer shit, little bitch, they hate me just for lunch. I was squatting, feeling awesome, then some monster eyed me up. Told me step outside, they feeling fried, I do this just for fun. We both slaving across the pavement till he hit me in my gut. Now my knee is swole as fuck, can't use their hands, they pay for us. They fight inside a grocery store, don't want no war, they scared of us. The trans kids ain't backing down, I took this crown and bathed in blood. Come get your mans, a trans woman bout to fuck little buddy up. Martial arts, I fit the part, you steady ducking, I'm the one. Alright, for real. Walking around this bitch like I don't give a fuck. She hold me just like paper cuts. These crackers sure don't owe me much. The savior good as Frazier like I'm smoking, floating, hold my nuts. Bitch. My blade is often tucked and filled with smoke. A lot of hope, you see I'm about a buck. I'm not racist, but it's obvious white people got me fucked. You see me out in public juggling all this heat, you scared for what? I was dancing with the devil and they told me bring the funk. And the ruckus hardly bluffing like for real, I'll fuck you up. That go for family like that carry pack with hatred, where's the love? Can call me Greta, then don't ever ask for help or hit my blunt. Walking around this bitch like I don't give a fuck. She hold me just like paper cuts. These crackers sure don't owe me much. This savior good as Frazier like I'm smoking, fucking hold my nuts.